42-year-old worker's arm was crushed by a wool pulling machine he was cleaning. The main operating switch of the machine was off, but an isolation switch installed on the electrical supply had been left on. Another worker accidentally struck the foot pedal with a broom when sweeping. This activated the machine and the rollers crushed his arm, causing severe lacerations, degloving and fractures. Make sure this doesn't happen at your workplace by ensuring machines are shut down and isolated when they're not in production or when they're being repaired, maintained or cleaned. Isolation means that energy cannot enter the machine and stored energy cannot be released, so there's no way it can start up accidentally. The most effective way to isolate machines is to lock them out. First, shut it down and turn off the power at its source. Prevent the power being turned back on by locking the switch or lever in the off position. It should only be possible for the lock to be removed by the person who attached it. Lock any other controls that could also activate or energise the machine. De-energize any stored energy which could also activate the machine. Air or hydraulic energy may be stored in a machine after the electricity has been turned off. This could involve lowering elevated equipment or releasing air or hydraulic pressure. Once a machine is isolated, follow a tag-out process to warn others that the machine is not safe to use. Danger lockout tags are used once energy sources and isolation points have been locked out when someone is working on a machine and would be at serious risk if it was turned on or operated. Out of service tags are placed on a machinery to indicate that it is faulty or damaged. Tags should identify the person who locked out the machine, the date and time, and the reason for isolation. If the isolation process involves a number of people, each person must attach their own danger lockout tag to their individual padlock and lock their padlock on a hasp in a lockbox. Each person's name and relevant details must be recorded on the isolation register. Finally, test that the machine has been isolated by attempting to reactivate it without putting yourself or others in danger. Training your workers and contractors in isolating machinery should be a priority. Remember, shut down the machine, isolate energy sources, tag the machine, and inform someone that the machine is not in production. For more information, visit worksafe.qld.gov.au or call 1300 369 915. Work safe, home safe.